basically what you want to do is to use flash, but really in a way that people looking at the picture will not recognize that you use flash. That is the goal of flash photography, right? All right, let me do a parenthesis here. If that's the goal, if you're not shooting creatively, like, you know, hard shadows and things like that, right? If you want to go for a natural look, the goal is to use flash, but really not looking like you use flash. The final image shouldn't look like you use flash, okay? Flash, strobe, they all are like daylight balance. So the light temperature on the flash is about 5,000 to 5,500 kelvins in that case, which is a very white light. And white light is really not very flattering or not very natural to skin tones. All right, so that's why you need to be careful when you're thinking about light intensity. Okay, how intense is the light in the subject? Because when we start photographing with flash, there's a lot of stuff that I need to be looking at, right? And sometimes I've seen happens with probably most of the beginner or even people who are making the transition from natural light into flash photography. They don't pay attention to the light intensity. You look at the ambient light is one intensity, and then you look at the subject. The subject is white, it's pale, because there's too much light.